everybody. I'm a hot minute late making a update on this car, but she runs. I had a clip in here of it running, and we test drove it up and down the road. So it goes underneath, it goes under its own power and everything. Just very loud because it's open the headers. But I do have a white pipe that came in for it, and we sell them on FordProParts.com. We sell a whole header kit. It comes with a white pipe, stainless steel, bolts, and it comes with everything you need: hardware, gaskets, and stuff, and bolt nuts. Anyways, this is the current setup, and you see everything works. She fires right up. Actually, she fired up the first time she got gas and then died because the idle wasn't sitting in the throttle body or nothing. But she don't overheat. Sit here and idle all day long if it wanted to. Has great oil pressure. Let's see what else. Yeah, we had to adjust the idle, get that going good. But to get to this point, let's see, the starter was bad. We had a bad hydraulic clutch master. It was bad, and then part of the line was leaking. So, you know, one thing after another. But we got all that fixed. You know, the line's down here. You can see, kind of see the shiny part, new hydraulic line. And it's a flex part that cracked. You can go get them on auto for like 20 bucks. Got lucky there, they had it. And then let's see, whatever else. I couldn't get gas to go in the tank, so we ended up dropping the gas tank and changed the fuel pump, and it was full of nasty stuff. So cleaned it all out. Lucky it was it's plastic tank, so it wasn't rusty. The rust was from the sending unit, had rusted off for the float for the gas gauge. So right now it doesn't have a gas gauge. It was totally disintegrated and gone. So we just got a new fuel pump, got all that cleaned up. So we'll worry about a gas gauge later. Get a float somewhere. See if I can find the parts to just get that portion of the sending unit. But right now I got all cleaned up. Got a new Walbro 190 fuel pump in there. Like once she got gas, this engine fired right up instantly. And just had to get the idle set up because that's not a regular throttle body. That one's modified. It doesn't have any kind of idle air control with the coolant level temp or nothing. And that's just she drove and everything. Well, and let me cut this off right here, and I'll come back showing the exhaust I'm gonna put on it. Alright, here's how the kit comes. You get your nice shiny headers. Let me pull it out. Just try to get it with one hand. Anyways, you get that. Okay, I'm not going to use the header since I have headers already. But I needed the white light. And the only way to get it is to buy the kit. Here's the gaskets. It comes with everything you need. Bolts and other stuff. They got them on sale. They have $100 free shipping for the kit right now. It's a good deal. I mean, it's freaking pretty fucking sweet. That's my language. Well, here you go. Here's the white pipe we're going to use. Comes in the kit that we sell on FordProParts.com. Like I said, it comes with all the hardware you need: gaskets, bolts, and nuts. And it's too bad for $100. I mean, can't go wrong. It's TIG welded. I mean, look at the welds. It's pretty damn good. Get you a kit before they sell it. They're on sale this month. And not too bad. Well, I'm gonna get this installed and then get back to you. Well, we got it installed. Kind of see it right there. It goes to the back, and yeah, that's it. Not too big of a deal to install. Just install them all loose, and then
tighten all the bolts up, you know. And yeah, she's still loud, but I ordered exhaust tube kit from True Bins, so it'll be here sometime coming up, and then we'll put that on from the flex pipe back, and then decide on a muffler for this thing and try to get her quiet. Well, thanks for watching. Check back in about a week or so, and we'll have a new update, and then we'll start working on the interior and eventually the body and that kind of stuff. But first thing first was getting her all running and driving, and we've accomplished that. Well, thank you. Catch you later. Bye.